Welcome to Filmoments tutorials. In this video I will show you how to create this planet wallpaper TikTok trend. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. We will use the PixArt app for this tutorial. Tap on the plus button and import any picture. Now tap on Tools, then click Stretch. Select Swirl clockwise. You can also adjust the size and power of the swirl. Now just drag the swirl effect into the picture until you cover the whole picture. After that, click Check. Now swipe to the left and click Cut Out. Select Shape and choose Circle. Make the circle bigger by dragging the arrow. You can click this eye button here to see which part best suit your planet look. Then click Check. After that, click Sticker, then search for black circle. Look for this pure black circle. Adjust the black circle to match your planet. Don't worry, it doesn't need to match it perfectly. Drag the opacity around 80. Tap on the eraser tool at the top and select Erase. Adjust the size, opacity and hardness. You can just follow how I did it. Then erase the half of the black circle to imitate a shadow. Tap on Check button. After that, add another sticker. Search for crescent moon. Click this one. Expand it and place it this way to match the edge of the planet. After that, tap the Check button. Next, click Cut Out, then select Shape, then Circle. Expand it just enough not to see the edges. Tap on the eye icon to check the result. Then click Check to final the cut. Slide the tools below and select Fit. Click Ratio and select ratio which best suit your need. Click Image and select a background. Let's select this dark background. Now resize and place the planet on the bottom right or wherever you want. You can also add blur to the background in here. You can also add another sticker to add that ring or orbit effect to your planet. Resize and position it across your planet. Use the eraser tool to erase the part which overlap on your planet. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.